Hello everyone. Today we'll be making seafood crab salad, and here are all the ingredients that you will need today. We'll have the seasoned salt, the coarse black pepper, onion powder. This is the brand that I like to use, but any kind will do. And this is the mayo, Kraft mayo that I use. And to go with them, I always get these Ritz crackers. And we have a little, this is like a quick, fast, and easy recipe. We have the imitation crab salad, and then we have the shrimp, the colossal shrimp. Now, I think I just used like half a bag and just a couple shrimp because this is a small portion just for me because a big guy doesn't eat it. So, yeah, so we got the green onion and then the spoon for mixing and the knife for cutting. So, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified. And this is Sheba from Shebaandtheebigguy. And if this is the first time that you have been on my channel, welcome or welcome back. And let's get into this recipe. All right. Oh yeah, and the cutting board. Okay. Okay, so first what you're going to do is, it's up to you how little or much green onion that you would like to put in, but me, I just like a little bit of green onion, and it's not a lot, so I'm just going to put a little in. Now finally chop this just real quick, fast and in a hurry. The big guy left to run to do a little errand, and I want to have this done before he gets here. Okay, so we'll get our bowl. We'll put this into the bowl. And then we'll take our shrimp and cut it in fours or however you like. 3s, 4s. I just want them to be a certain size. Okay, so the hard work to me is over. We'll go ahead and we'll get our bowl, put that on in there. And then for the crab, you just want to just break this up. We're going for a quick and easy, and nothing that's going to take a long time. And it's like, just like I said, you could do as little you do exactly how much you want to do. You can see just now I just ripped that out because I just want this to be a quick, fast recipe. Okay, so there we are with the meat. We'll chop this up with our hands. It's like you could cut this or mix it up with your hands, however you choose. But to me, I kind of like the raw hand more shrimp than what I thought. Okay, so that's that. Give my hands a little rinsing off. Okay, so the way I like to do it is put the mayo in first. And I don't measure You don't want to put too much mayo in, just enough to give yourself a even little coat. Maybe just a little wee bit more. Little squirt. Okay, now that's perfect because you don't want too much. You want it to be a little creamy, but not too much. Okay, so then after that, I tend to like to get my seasoned salt and just give it a sprinkle, not putting too much. And then we use the pepper. I like a lot of pepper. So everything is just eyeballing it just to cover the top. This is the way I make it. And then we use the onion powder. Okay, that's enough. And then we will give this a stir. A nice, decent stir so we can get everything covered and seasoned well. Me, I'll add just a little bit more mayo. That's it. So that's it for the whole recipe. So it's like you want to gradually add your mayo so you can get it to your taste and your liking. Okay. So that is it. So I got these crackers right here because we're going to plate it. So when we come back, we'll have it in a bowl and we'll have it ready to serve. Okay, so there you have it. You have your crackers to dip with. These crackers are so good. I've been using this recipe for years just for like small lunches to take to work. Me and my mother, we share it. I haven't made it for a party yet. But yeah, I just use it for a little snack, just something to eat for lunch at work, and that's it. So here's everything I used, and here's the finished product. So I hope you try this recipe. I hope you like it, and leave it in the comment section and let me know if you tried it. Me, this is a recipe that I've been doing for years. So, yep, that's it. Just quick, fast, and hurry for a nice snack or a lunch. All right, guys. Okay, so I just wanted to come in and show you guys how I store it. I just put it in a Tupperware that I got from the 99-cent store. It's the Betty Crocker one, and I just go ahead and put the lid on. I couldn't find a smaller one. This is the only one that I could find right now. But I just put the lid on. And this will last for the week for my lunches. So I do this at the top of the week. And then I'll pack a couple crackers and put them in a little tiny Ziploc bag. And that will be lunch. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye. Quick, fast, easy meals.